Equip your kitchen with cold storage with the single-section reach-in refrigerator from Delfield. The Easy Touch display gives users up-to-date operating info and can send alerts and notifications to operators' smartphones for off-site monitoring. Ensuring the cabinet remains between 33 and 40 degrees Fahrenheit, the electronic temperature control improves pull-down times for newly added products. Items are stored on 3 adjustable shelves and illuminated by LED lights, and the smart hinge door self-closes to trap cold air but remains open past 90 degrees for easy loading. Call our customer care team or visit us online at KaTom.com to add a Delfield reach-in refrigerator to your operation today.